as best you can, do what they do. Slice like so. And if you notice, I already peeled the celery. Why? I don't know, to me it chews a little better. So all the celery cut like that, and that's the way you see it when you order something, isn't it? And the bok choy I'm going to cut similar. And the pork, trim it the best you can. I cut it lengthwise, and then like so. Now we're going to do the vegetables as quick as we can, and that is, that flame's been on there on high for a couple of minutes. I'm putting in the extra light olive oil because it can withstand the heat without burning. And all of this is going in there without the meat. This better work right. Maybe I shouldn't do all of it, but I'm not in the mood to do it twice. So, as long as this is very hot, and when I'm done with this, it's going back into this pan. Don't mind my dog outside. He's annoying. And the salt is in there, so we have it on high. I ordered a ring to go under this wok to keep the flame more directly under it. I'm sure you hear him barking. Maybe okay, he wants to come in. I don't have to stop this. Get him in. Okay. That's my recipe. That's all can be annoying. Oh, this is working out well. As long as you see smoke and it's searing, that means we're not giving off a lot of water, which is in these vegetables. You know, I think when they make this at your takeout place, I think they blanch everything for a second, and then they put it together. I don't want to do that. I want all the flavor in here. And I like it al dente, so now if you can make this and don't put the stock and don't put the cornstarch and just have it like this with the meat. But I'm doing it with the cornstarch and the meat. One more second and this is done. Because it has to go back in with the meat, and then we put the stock, and then we'll thicken it a little. I like this. I could have carrots in there for color, but it's too late. So we're shutting this off. So I'm going to start off with, let's see, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I don't feel like using my hands, so this will take a few minutes. So let me shut the film off. Let me mix that up good. The pan is red hot again, and I'm putting in the olive oil. You could use peanut oil too. I don't have peanut oil. I would have preferred the peanut oil for the flavor. And now I had to use my fingers. I couldn't get all that meat done properly. So the cornstarch that's on the meat is what's going to thicken the stock after I put all the vegetables and everything in there. It better fit, because I don't want to use a different type of pan. I like this. Maybe I should get a larger wok. But I had to make extra because my wife, well, she's not here tonight, and she said, oh, save some for me. So I had to like double the recipe. I think this is for about 4 people, maybe 5. This is a lot of vegetables. It's my favorite. Let the film run. You know why? All the other sequences were very short. And this is probably the most important one. But what I'm going to do, we don't want the excess fat that's in there. The oil, not necessary. So I'm going to take this, drop it into a colander. Give the pan a quick rinse, because I don't like to have extra fat. I have enough of my own extra fat. Let me just get the colander. The hot stock is ready. Use a good chicken stock or make your own. Makes a bit of difference in the flavor. Okay, so I'm going to take this now, dump it in the colander. I just gave it a quick rinse. And then put this back in. Chicken stock. As soon as that does what I want it to do, which is to thicken it a little, then I'm going to drop the vegetables. Looks like I'll have to add some cornstarch slurry, which I planned on in the first place. Let's see what this is doing. Let me put a few more things in there that are very important, such as the hot sauce. The hoisin, it's getting a little hot over there. Lower it for a second so I don't burn my fingers. Thank you. I'm talking to myself. There you go. I'm back up again. Let's see how we're doing. So we have the cornstarch right here. That's 1 tablespoon. So we'll mix it with the 1 tablespoon of water. And as you do that, right, you can't do this ahead of time because then the cornstarch is going to sink to the bottom. So you have to do it just before you need it. And that's equal amounts. Now whether it's going to be enough or not, we'll soon find out. Feels smooth? Not yet. Okay. Get that. And just drizzle it around. And you don't want it thick and clumpy. As long as it clings to it like this, we're in business. So we're going to get the vegetables. Sorry for the banging. I know I shouldn't have done that, but sorry. It's very annoying. Lower this so I don't burn my fingers again. And let's put the veggies in there. And the rice I'm having is already on the stove, keeping warm. Let's turn this up. Anything else I'm missing? Yes, I have some scallions in the refrigerator, and I forgot to slice them up. So once I make my plate, I'm going to, okay, this was good. The amount of stock for everything is kind of perfect. Should be hot. Nothing is overcooked. Lower the flame, and now taste for, in case it needs a little more seasoning. The only seasoning I could figure out would be salt. Doesn't need it. That's good. Now you check the table. Make sure, the most important item is still sitting there. This is what gives it a knockout flavor. The roasted sesame oil. Don't ever buy one that looks clear. It has to be very dark. The clear one doesn't even taste like sesame oil. I don't know why they sell it. Looking good. Very nice. Proper consistency. Shiny like when you get it in your takeout place. And that's it. Now, make a plate. Take my rice. Put the rice. I have a scoop, and the scoop is right here. I like doing that. This is a 4-ounce scoop, and that's about what I have for the rice. I cooked a 1/4 cup of your favorite rice. For this procedure, I made jasmine, but normally I eat brown rice all the time because the color of this looks good. And now we'll put some on the plate. Should I get the scallions and make you wait to watch them? Yeah, why not? It'll only take a second for me to grab them. Guess what? I must have used them yesterday. Anyway, that's it. There's the plate, a little scallions on top, and that means that's easy 3 portions. Hope you enjoy it.